Hello and welcome to this lecture, and in this lecture we are going to learn how to install Android Studio on Mac. So if you're using Mac, then follow along these steps, or you could refer the previous lecture where we discuss how to install Android Studio on a Windows machine. So the first thing which you need to do is that even before installing Android Studio, you need to make sure that you have the proper version of Java installed on your computer. So in order to check that, you need to open up Terminal. So open up Spotlight on Mac by pressing Command Space and search for something which is called as the Terminal. And once you open up Terminal, this is what the terminal is going to look like. So here what you need to do is that you need to type in Java-version and hit enter. So once you do that, you should be able to see Java version 1.8. And if you don't see anything over here, or if your Java version is less than 1.8, then what you need to do is that you need to go ahead and install Java JDK. So in order to install Java JDK, simply go ahead and type in download Java JDK in your web browser, and in here, so this link right here is the link to download Java JDK. So simply click on that. So as you could see, here are a bunch of options over here, and what you need to do here simply is that you need to go ahead and click on this option right here, which is for the Mac OS. So once you click that, and even before you click that, you do need to click this accept license agreement. Then you need to simply click that over here. And once the DMG file is completely installed, what you simply need to do is that you need to open this thing up, and you need to go through the installation wizard, which is quite simple. And once the installation is done, we proceed ahead to download and install Android Studio. So you simply need to type in download Android Studio, and the first link which pops up is going to be from Android Studio. So you simply need to open that thing up. So once you click this link, it's actually going to give you an option to download Android Studio. So simply click that option over here, check this checkbox over here, and click on download Android Studio for Mac. So once the DMG file is downloaded, you simply need to open that thing up, and this is the kind of setup wizard is going to appear in front of you. So you simply need to drag Android Studio and drop it to the applications folder. Then what you need to do is that once the installation proceeds ahead, it's actually going to ask you if you want to import settings from a custom location, or you do not have a previous version of Android Studio. So in this case, as you do not have a previous version, you check the second option and click OK. Then after that, you need to fire up Android Studio from your applications folder. And when you open up Android Studio for the very first time, this is the kind of window you are going to get. So here you simply need to click that configure option right below, and once you click that, you need to go and click on check for updates. So it's actually quite possible that you still need to update Android Studio, so you simply need to check for updates and install those updates. So it's an extremely easy process. You just need to go through the wizard, and once everything is done, you just need to click on update now. So once you click on this update now button, it's actually going to download and install the required remaining components. And once that thing is done, Android Studio would be successfully installed on your Mac. And if you face any problem while installing Android Studio, then do post your query in the Q&A section, and I will be there to help you out. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.